Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. My name is Eugene Ibrahim from Civil Engineering Universitas of Singapura Bangsa Karawang. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to present my final exam on English subject. Jakarta Mass Rapid Transit, or MRT, has long-awaited dream. The idea first surfaced in 1985, but only in 2005 was it officially declared a national project. PT MRT Jakarta was established on 17 June 2008, and construction began in October 2013. After years of effort, Phase 1 of MRT Jakarta, the 15.7-kilometer track from Lebak Bulus to Bundaran HI with the 13 stations, opened on 24 March 2019, with a commercial service following on 1 April 2019. What once a distant vision has become a key part of Jakarta daily life, transforming commutes and marking the start of a new era of mobility. Today, I'll walk you through this milestone, its journey, impact, and the future ahead. So, shall we go on my presentations? So, my title of presentation is How MRT Reshaping Urban Mobility in Indonesia. The problem, a city in gridlock. For decades, Jakarta was defined by a single overwhelming challenge. It was traffic. This wasn't just an inconvenience, it was a crisis. Why? Because billions lost, over $5 billion in economic losses annually, time wasted, commutes that should have been minutes stretched into hours, air polluted by vehicle emissions were primarily the source of the city poor air quality. And the solution, a bold new artery. The answer was bold and ambitious one: to build a modern artery that could pump life and movement back into the heart of the city. You can see in the left side is Bundaran HI, is the last station, is the heart of the city here. And MRT itself, as Indonesian inaugural rapid transit system, the Jakarta MRT swiftly connects the capital through a modern network, both subway and elevated railway lines. A long-awaited project that was finally realized. MRT also the first ever mass rapid transit or subway system in Indonesia history. MRT has three important goals. It was number one, speed and efficiency to slash travel times and give back people their valuable assets, it's time. Number two, reliability and comfort to offer predictable, safe, pleasant journey and making public transport an attractive choice. Number three is sustainability to trigger a massive shift from private cars to a public transport with the goals for to clean the air. So the philosophy, MRT Jakarta, also named Ratangga, is an old Japanese word for war chariot that symbolize strength, speed, and this impressive train right here was built by Nippon Sanyo in Japan, designed for high capacity transit. It can carry nearly 2,000 passengers at the time. To ensure a comfortable journey for everyone, the train is fully air-con and designed to be accessible for all passengers. The design above and below the city. The MRT uses a smart hybrid design to navigate Jakarta complex landscape. The elevated one in the wider corridors of South Jakarta. The tracks run above ground. This was faster and more cost effectively to build. And the underground in the dense city center, the tracks go into tunnels to preserve the cityscape, avoid surface disruption. You can see this picture, this image, and the technology is smart and safe. The MRT use smart and safe to make sure the ride safe as possible. The train system brain, quote unquote, is the communication based train control, or CBTC. This advanced signaling allow computer to precisely manage the train's movement, which means the trains can run closer together safely. Waiting time are shorter and schedule are exact or on time. It provides the highest level of safety in modern rail. You can see this in this presentation, a simulation that CBTC is like this. So like this. The builders are global and local partnerships. The success of the Jakarta MRT was a result strong consortium effectively combining internationally technical expertise with a local and a knowledge, a local strengths and knowledge. The partnerships is between JICA, who's from Japan, act as primary funder, the quality guarantor. JICA provide the mine financing through soft loans and ensure the project met world-classly safety standards. Number 2 is Shimizu and Obayashi from Japan, were the specialist contractor to brought advanced technology, especially for the most complex tunneling and underground station works. Number 3 is PT Wika or Wijaya Karya, state-owned Indonesia. As the main state-owned partner, Wika provide the workforce on the site management and played a key role in the transfer of modern construction technology. And last but not least is PT Jaya Konstruksi. This was a private construction in Indonesia, acted as a leading local expert, leveraging his long history in Jakarta to navigate on the ground conditions and challenge. The challenge digging under a megacity. The greatest engineering challenge was digging tunnels directly beneath one of the world's busiest cities. The heroes of this effort were four giant tunnel boring machines that dug the earth, removed the soil, and installed the concrete tunnels walls simultaneously. The challenge with land and traffics. Beyond the engineering, there were two major hurdles. Number one is land acquisitions. In a dense city, acquiring land for stations was a slow and complex legal process. Number two is traffic management. Heavy work was done at night to keep Jakarta infamous city flowing during the day. Like this image, it caused a traffic jam on Jakarta. The impact is a new way of life. The MRT has changed how Jakarta lives and breathes. Time return. Commuters have gained back their valuable time. New urban hubs. Areas around stations have been reborn as lively centers for activity, transit oriented and development. Cleaner air. The reduction in traffic along the MRT corridors has led to healthier air. The social shift, a new culture of order. Perhaps the most profound impact social is the MRT has successfully introduced a culture of discipline, respect for a public space. The project has become an immense of source of civic pride. Success by numbers. 30 minutes to the travel time from end to end is from station Lebak Bulus to the last station is Bundaran HI, and 99.9% near perfect on time arrival rate, and 90,000 average number daily riders, proving a successful shift from a private vehicles. And I get the picture from Antara News like this. The journey continues on phase 2 and beyond. The story of the MRT is still being written. The phase 2 is under construction. The line currently being extended to the north, connecting the business district to the historic site is Kota Tua, uh, and the big dream, if it a future east-west line is on is in the time is planning stage to create a true city-wide network like this. uh, I got it uh, from Google, the image. Conclusions. MRT was true, uh, a fact that is this a game changer. Sorry, this is a game changer. The Jakarta MRT is more than just a successfully infrastructure. It is a symbol of visions that perseverance. It proved that Jakarta could tackle its biggest challenge and build a world-class solutions, becoming the foundation for a more sustainable and livable future. Future. So that's it. Thank you again for giving me a chance to presenting my final exam for English subject. And my name is Eugene Ibrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.